Edmund here, REN7732, and today we're checking out this studio unit at the Summerplace. Let's check out. Nice and cozy. Alright, so here we are at this home studio. Very nice, fully furnished. Okay. Yeah, nice table, counter and kitchen. Suitable for a single person, small family, or even a couple. Alright. This is the bedroom with a shared toilet, yeah, shared bathroom, laundry. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, there's also a space here, can be converted into a room or even a workplace. It's totally up to you. So you have another space here. So yeah, it's a very nice, modern, contemporary design. Yeah, also quite nice already. Yeah, again, yeah, see, get a feel. Fully furnished, ready to move in just like that. Okay, I need to be upfront about one thing. Yeah, one of the maybe detractors, if you're particular, is that right outside the view, this is the upcoming Exim Tower that's being built. It's going to be adjacent by the time it's completed in the coming years. So for now, you can get a city view, but that may change in the coming years. All right. But if this doesn't bother you, then it's not exactly a deal breaker, because this is a JB City area. You look at the surrounding, there'll be more towers coming up. In fact, on the other side, there's summer suites up and coming also.